Hey guys, Beauty? Today I'm going to make a very quick video that will teach you how to convert a PPTX document, which is a PowerPoint document, to a PDF. So let's go. First thing, have your PPTX file in an easy place for you to do the group load. Now open Google Docs, docs.google.com.
google.com.
For you to use this tool, you need to have your Google account, so it is important that you are logged in. So here in the top corner, I'm coming to the main menu, Presentations. This is the Presentations page. So I have a blank one here. I'm going to open the blank one here. It's going to open this very standard page here that you can recognize as PowerPoint. I'm coming here in an open file. It's going to throw some tabs here. So my driver, shared, star, recents, but I have this file on my computer. So I'm going to upload. Select the file here on my desktop. 6 tips for creating beautiful banners. If you notice, the extension is PPTX, PowerPoint extension. I will open it. I'll let it upload now. Ready. Now it will open my PPTX document in PowerPoint Google presentation format. Look how cool. Shall we convert? Let's convert. Go to File, Download How. PDF document. Click here. It will download it here and you just have to open it. Look how cool. In less than 3 minutes I managed to convert my PPTX to PDF. This is very good for you who make ebooks daily and want to optimize your speed. So here's the tip. I hope it helped you. Don't waste time converting to software. Nothing like that.
Existe o Google Docs, é uma ferramenta online incrível e que está aqui para mudar a sua vida.